This video I'm going to show you how you can add a featured channel on your YouTube. So if you have more than one channel and you like to go ahead and just add them on your main channel as featured channels, then it is pretty much simple. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So I have here my main YouTube channel and I'd like to go ahead and add other channels that I own as featured channels. To do so, head to your YouTube studio, and once you are here, head over to this customization tab and click on it. From this, go up here under channel customization and tap on home tab here. From here, under home tab, go ahead and choose this option called add section. If you tap on this, we have quite a number of options that you can do, and for my case, I want to add featured channels. So if I go ahead and tap on featured channels, I'll have to go ahead and give the title for this section. So I'll just write other channels like that. Now here, I'll go ahead and enter my channel name. And the best way to search for it is just to type the username as one word. So I'll go ahead and enter mine like that. And you should be able to identify your channel. So I can identify mine. Here it is. Then check on the box just next to it, and your channel will have been selected. Now to save the changes, go ahead and click on done. And now you can see under featured channel, we have now one. So from now henceforth, you will have your featured channel. If you wish to add extra channel, if you have more than one, as you can see, I only have one, you can still go ahead and add other channels that you own, and they will all be added under your featured channels. Now from here, once you have added the channel, go ahead and click on publish to make it public now, or to make it available. And now I have just published, and therefore the changes have been published. And now if I go to my channel and then under home tab, if I just go ahead and scroll down, now you can see here is my featured channel under the headline other channels. And now anyone can now subscribe to it or can click on it to see the content under that channel. So that's how you can add featured channels in your YouTube studio. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.